wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. It's almost Easter and I'm getting all our decorations ready. I cannot find a lot, unfortunately, and I know we'll need help from Olivia and Noah today. Maybe they have some ideas for a craft we can do and use that for our Easter decoration. How about we check in with them and see what they are doing?
And then I'm going to cut a circle and a swirly.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna do like a, as if the egg has a belt on. I don't know how to call it, but you know what I mean.
I don't know, yeah, like an egg belt. An egg belt.
Yeah.
Oh, Noah, look, the kids are here. Oh,
Hi, kids.
We were so excited that we already got started a little bit.
Yeah, you know, we're back in our arts and craft studios, and with Easter coming up, we have a lot of work still to do.
Yeah, there's so much work to do. The Easter bunny must be one busy bunny.
Yeah, but we started just cutting out a couple of shapes, just like that, which we're going to stick onto our Easter egg.
Yeah.
But now I'm getting ahead of myself. Why don't you talk about what we're doing?
So we have this, it's our egg shape.
Yeah.
And so what we did is we traced and cut out some
eggs.
Yeah, some eggs. We did some on construction paper that we can color, and then
some on how do we call this?
Like
rubber?
Foam, yeah, like foam board.
Foam board,
yeah. So we cut out some on foam board. Here, let me find one of those.
This is foam.
Oh, this one's Noah's.
Oh yeah, that's mine.
Blue.
Oh yeah.
Oops. Yeah, we cut out these. Oh, I did it upside down.
Oh.
Nope, I don't know.
Okay.
But this one's Noah's. I'm trying to hand it to you, but I'm taking it further away.
Here, I'll show it.
There we go. Thank you.
There you go.
So that one's Noah's.
And then...
And the really exciting one...
Oh, you have the exciting one.
Oh, I have the exciting one?
We
both have an exciting one. But I'll show my exciting one.
Yeah.
But I haven't put the stuff on it yet. The really exciting one is... we cut each one out of felt.
Of felt?
Yeah.
And why did we do that?
We did that because we can decorate it so many different ways.
Yeah.
So what we did then is we made little shapes like this. Or
like this.
Or like this swirly.
Yeah. But the trick in all of this is what we put behind them, right?
Oh, yeah. So turn it over, and on the back there is a little bit of...
Velcro.
And then...
We just stick it on the egg, and then we can decorate it however we want.
Yeah, and then it just stays, and you can move it around and change it. So it's like decorating your own eggs a million times.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you can even use it for this year's Easter or for next year's Easter and have a different design. Yep.
Wow, those are some really cool looking Easter eggs that they made. You know what I like most of their craft? You can keep it and use that egg and redecorate it for next year. It's a recyclable Easter egg craft. I'm going to start doing mine right now. I'll leave you with our Easter egg song, Humpty Dumpty. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on the ground. Humpty Dumpty looked all around. Gone were the chimneys and gone were the roofs. All he could see were buckles and hooves. Humpty Dumpty counted to 10.
steal a heart from you.
Are you stealing my heart?
I am stealing your heart.
What if I steal it back?
You can steal it back.
Okay, I might steal it back. We'll see.
This way. This way. Oh, I have a great idea.
I'm gonna put a big
Actually, I don't want your heart anymore.
Oh, thanks. I'm gonna put it over here.
I'm gonna do this. This way. And then
Oh yeah.
my egg is pooping.
There.
And then
There. Let me see. I think that's good. Let me see.
I think your heart wins.
Yeah, I got it. No, my heart's there. I think I'm gonna switch this around.
I'm done.
Okay, hold on, I'm almost done. I'm not quite there. And what? I think the square will look better up here, right? And what do you think? Like that? Oh wait.
That looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm done with mine.
All right, I'm done with mine.
Okay,
I think
should
I
we
like
show
it.
the kids?
Yeah, let's show it to the kids.
Okay.
Can I
Yeah, you
show
show
mine
yours.
first? Okay.
Yeah.
So, there's my Easter egg.
Wow.
Yeah, it's got a heart on top, a big one, and then a littler heart, and then some swirlies.
Wow, I really like your swirlies.
Thank you. Yeah, the
They're really
swirlies
cool.
were really, they're my favorite part.
Yeah. Can I show mine now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I
yeah.
want to show mine now.
Okay,
Look.
show yours.
I did it this way.
Ooh.
So I have an Easter egg belt.
Yeah, I like your Easter egg belt.
And you see under the Easter egg belt, it's like a swirly thing.
Yeah, I like your swirly. That's awesome.
It's my Easter egg pooping. Funny, right?
Noah, when Easter eggs poop, do Easter eggs poop chocolate?
Yeah. See all of the other shapes?
Yeah.
That's what the Easter egg is eating. That's
Oh my
chocolate.
goodness.
And then that's what comes out of it through the belt.
I wonder if that's where the Easter bunny gets all the candy.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Noah, you're so funny.
I know.
Oh, but I like that design. It's very pretty. I like
you.
that. I like the egg belt.
Thank you.
Yeah, very unique.
Yeah, you helped me with that.
Just a little bit.
Yep. Kids, did you learn how to make your own Easter egg today?
Yeah, I hope that you guys did. And I hope you had lots of fun and used lots of fun colors and pastel colors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We would love to see your Easter egg design.
Yeah, we would. So
Yeah.
you could send us a picture or draw it or you could describe it, I guess, if you wanted to write a story about an Easter egg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let
that'd be
us
great.
know. We would love to hear from you.
Yeah, we hope to hear from you soon.
Okay. Have a great Easter.
Happy Easter. Thank you guys for coming.
Bye.
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.